Look at that, Keely. That's the Christmas tree. You have your own tree. Birds go on this tree. Ornaments go on that one. You understand? You're the little ornament for this one, though. Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie. All right, Keely, come here. It's time for treats. Here you go. This is your special treat. All right, Sherman, here's yours. It's a great way to keep the parrots off of the Christmas tree and give them a fun tree of their own. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays. Thanks for watching. You can check out an abundance of new perches, trees, and stands at parrotwizard.com.